36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While courts in session, no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, or smoking or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided report. Good morning, Your Honor. Robinson.
Good morning, Mr. Fetwood. This is the people versus Stuart Robinson, ticket number SP 1434380, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, I'm sorry, ticket number SP 1434354, count 1, defective windshield, count 2. I don't know if this was waived, but tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches, and then count 3, excessive noise, muffler, horn, exhaust, tires. Good morning, please take your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paul Kaiser, P55598, on behalf of Stuart Robinson, who appears via Zoom. We have no objection to the proceeding being conducted via Zoom, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city, P70303. I do believe we have a complaining officer here. I'm not sure if it was.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
We do have Officer Jackson present.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Robinson, I'll put you in the waiting room for a minute.
Okay.
Officer Jackson. Let me see.
Yeah, I told him to come out. He's not coming out.
Your Honor, we do have an agreement on the plea.
Yeah. Mr. Stewart, you want to say your name for the record?
Stuart Robinson.
Hopefully he'll come out in the next couple of minutes. All right, it's my understanding, Mr. Kaiser, does your client wish to avail himself to the offer?
That is correct, Your Honor. He's been advised of his rights, and he would like to plead guilty to failure to display and responsible to, I believe, defective equipment. In exchange, the other charges would be dismissed.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Mr. Stewart. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you put your hand down? You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of March 6, 2023 at 1:03 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and Flanders in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2021 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
At the time, I didn't know.
Well, was it in fact suspended?
I didn't know until they pulled me over because I had.
Was it suspended? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. You're satisfied, Mr. Kaiser?
We're satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied with factual basis. We'll accept the admission and amend the count to fail to display. Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number ending in 354 and to probable cause?
We do so, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, so the court will accept the stipulation or the admission of responsible to count 1. We'll dismiss counts 2 and 3 without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing. So for the misdemeanor, there is a fine of $200 for the defective windshield. I think that fine is $120. Usually with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay it, but because you have the misdemeanor, I'll just put them all together to make it a little bit easier. So it's gonna be a total of $320. Can you have that paid by June 27th?
All right.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No.
No, Your
So
Honor.
you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Yes, Officer Jackson, I'm sorry, before we conclude this matter, can you say your name for the record, sir?
Officer Jackson, badge 2158.
Thank you, sir. You are all set, Officer Jackson. Mr. Kaiser, thank you, sir. You're all set, and good luck to you, Mr. Ross.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Officer Del Bosque, Janelle Robinson did not appear. That is going to be, okay,
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
thank you. Officer Cook, we will be doing your matter shortly, sir.